evening, students. Good evening, ma'am. Today we are going to case study on antimicrobial textiles for healthcare and sportswear. Okay. So antimicrobial textiles. What do you think about the growth of microorganisms in textiles? What are the problems we face when there is a growth of microorganisms in a particular textile? What are the problems we face? Bad smell. Okay, when there is a growth of microorganisms, first thing we come across is bad smell. Anything else? Health issues. Right. So there are certain health issues too. For example, when the babies wear diaper, there are rashes, and then UTI, there is urinary tract infection happens. So there are some health issues and also poor hygiene. Okay, these are the problems we face whenever there is growth of microorganisms in a textile. Okay. So this has given rise to the production of a very smart textile lately, antimicrobial textiles. Okay, so there is a need for the production of this antimicrobial textiles. Okay, so usually these antimicrobial textiles are found wide application in two industries. One is hospital, healthcare industry, and the other one is sportswear. Okay, when you think about sportswear, shoes. Normally people wear shoes. Okay, so in that sense, when a normal person is wearing shoe itself, when they remove the shoe, you would say a very bad smell. But when you pick up a sports person, you will be doing workout in the hot sun for end of the hours. So in that sense, there will be more amount of microbes being built inside the shoes. Okay, so they also require antimicrobial finish on their shoes for their comfort, sometimes for their user friendliness. If something is smelly, will you be able to use it comfortably? No. So we just want to remove the shoes, or we just want to remove the dress immediately. Okay. So a sports person is doing workout means if it is simply smelling, so he doesn't want to wear it for the whole day. He just want to remove it immediately. So that will spoil his career, that will spoil his whole day, work, everything. So it's a daily routine for him or them. So there is a need for antimicrobial textiles in sportswear. This is the problem. So how can we overcome it? A group of scientists are working on silver nanoparticles. Okay. Nanoparticles are particles which have some efficient properties than normal particles. You have silver, which we wear as anklet, earring, something chain, etc. Okay, these are normal silver. Okay, but when you produce this silver as a nanoparticle, their property is enhanced. Okay, if a silver can exhibit antimicrobial property, and silver nanoparticle can exhibit more antimicrobial property. Okay, so in that sense, silver nanoparticles, so the group of scientists are working on, and these silver nanoparticles were produced and they were going for their characterization. Characterization means studying their properties. Okay, when they were studying their properties, they wonder that they exhibit enormous antimicrobial property. So silver nanoparticle. Is silver costly or cheap? Compared to gold, it is cheap. But compared to other metals, it's costly. Okay. When we go for the iron rods for at home, okay. So do we prefer silver rods or iron rods? Silver antimicrobial finish. Okay, so they used this antimicrobial, that is silver nanoparticles, as sheet for hospital beds. Okay, so the duration of the changing of the bed, that increased for 3 days. They did not change the sheet for the bed for the patient every time. Okay, so that they were able to increase the durability of the sheet. And this other one, they were also able to use it for sportswear. So they have a good antimicrobial properties. Okay, so they were able to overcome the problem of the growth of microbes by using silver nanoparticles. Again, silver nanoparticles, they have environmental concerns, they are toxic. So again, they are to research to make it more economical and also